Hey guys, welcome back to another video from Nevada Sports Cards. So today I was able to get some of these hanger packs from Optic Basketball 2023-24. So we're looking for 3 exclusive velocity parallels. Now they do have all kinds of stuff. They have other parallel inserts. They also have some autos. I have 6 here. However, we're just going to open 5 of them. I'm going to give one away. So, looking for our first 1,000 subscribers. And once we get 1,000 subscribers, we're going to do a randomizer for 100 spots and give away 100 different prizes. So, one of those is going to be up for grabs. So, if you haven't subscribed yet, do that now. Tell your friends, family, whoever you want. The first 1,000 is going to get a good chance of getting something. So let's go ahead and open these up and get into them. Totally opened this one the wrong way, but we'll get into them. So maybe the one that I pulled off is the best one out of the 6. Maybe it has something big in it for whoever wins it. But these we found at Walmart for $21.97 a piece. You get 20 cards, so just barely over $1 per card. Plus you had tax as well. But I mean, it's Optic Basketball. So let's see if we can't get anything. So we got a Highland there, Christian Wood, Russell Westbrook. These are kind of like, feel like they're sticking a little bit. Kyle Lowry there, Jalen Duran. Got a rookie card there of Osser, Grady Dick, Jeff Howard. Jeff Howard again on the purple rated rookie. You got Walker on the express lane. That is a purple. It's not serial numbered. You got blue here now. DeRozan, John Morant, and Sasser, the rookie in blue. Kind of like a color match there. Then we got winner stays. We got LeBron, My House, Anthony Black, and White Hot Rookies, Anthony Black. So a lot of parallels in that one. Oh, look who's right there on the back. Mr. Victor Wemby. That's a good one. All right, we got R.J. Barrett, Derek White, Jimmy Butler. All right, now we're into the rookies. Jalen Pickett there. Gigi, that's a nice one. Bailey. And then we got Donovan Mitchell on the hollow. All right, Express Lane, Kawhi Leonard hollow. Looks like a kind of like a purple. On the blue, we got Jonathan Isaac, Dennis Schroeder, Bilal, rookie on the blue. My House, Cam Whitmore. Splash of Grady Dick and Wemby on the express lane. It's not a hollow or anything, it's just a regular version. But it is a Wemby rookie. All right, let's go ahead and open up these other ones. All right, we got Tyrese Maxey there, Halliburton, Cameron Thomas, Luka, Jaren Jackson Jr. Rookie card, starting off with Victor Wemby. It's a nice card to have. All right, Livingston, Brandon Miller in the same pack. That's another one to have. Then we got a backwards card there. Is that an autograph? Oh, it's short print here. Number 20 of 25. Nice. We got an autograph. It's really hard to see the name. It's Corey Kispert, Kispert. but it is numbered to 25. So that's a nice one. Go ahead and sleeve that up real quick. All right, on the hollow, we got Kevin Huter. LeBron James on the winter stays. That is a hollow version. On the blue, Al Horford. We got another blue there. And then Chris Livingston on the blue, rated rookie. We got Bilal there on the My House. Jason Tatum on the splash. And Amen Thompson on the express lane. That was the best box so far. Had Wemby, Miller, the short print auto. Couldn't they all be like that? All right, we got Brandon Miller on the back of this one. That's a splash. All right, we got Isaac there. Darren Fox. Josh Giddey. Cunningham. Trae Young. Another Wemby rookie. Nice. So maybe these are the route to go. I mean, for the value compared to the blasters and everything. Livingston. Okay, now we got purple here. Chris Murray. My House LeBron. Purple. All right, on the blue, we got Vincent, Darren Fox, PJ Tucker. Winter stays, Hakeem. My House, Chet Howard, and then Brandon Miller on the splash. Hello, YouTubers. If you got a second, go ahead and like and subscribe to my videos. Go ahead and hit the bell as well. I got something for you guys in a couple weeks that you're not going to want to miss. All right, last box, guys. Like I said, we kept one of these back. We will give it away in the future. All right, we got Gasol there on the winter stays on the back. All right, Cameron Thomas, Luka, Dylan Brooks, Rui, Porzingis. All right, rated rookies. Brandon from the Warriors. Jones from the Kings. Keontae George from the Jazz. Got purple here. Kawhi Leonard, but we got a purple Brandon Miller on the splash. That's a nice one to have. I don't think that's numbered. Yeah, it's not. All right, on the blue, we got Patrick Williams. We got a rookie card there. And then white hot rookies, we got Osser, Scoot Henderson on the express lane, and winter stays, Paul Gasol. Not a bad little rip. I mean, look at all these prisms. A lot of color. And then, of course, we did pretty good. We got the purple splash, Brandon Miller. We got two Wembys, Brandon Miller. And then, of course, short print auto to 25. And then we had this Wemby over here as well, express lane. But thanks for watching, guys. Check out my other videos. I got a lot of videos coming out right now. Thank you. Have a great night.